We all love saving money, but finding open source apps that actually beat out subscription-bloated software is easier said than done. Let's face it, the open source world is massive, and separating the incredibly slick utilities from the clunky junk is a total nightmare. That's why I've done the digging for you. Today, we're counting down 25 powerhouse applications that legitimately put premium alternatives to shame, and yes, they all run flawlessly across Windows, Mac, and Linux. There's a ton to cover, so let's dive right in. Number 1. LocalSend. If you want a massive crowd pleaser right out of the gate, this is it. It's a completely open alternative to AirDrop that works flawlessly across Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. I stumbled on this a while back and now use it daily, mostly because you can effortlessly drop text, massive video files, clipboard data, or entire folders between completely different devices without touching a single cloud server. Number 2. Zen Browser. Now, when it comes to web browsers, we all know Firefox is the open source backbone. But if you want a browsing experience that feels modern and incredibly snappy, Zen Browser is the current community favorite. It brings vertical tabs, gorgeous workspace splits, and heavy user customization straight out of the box, completely sidestepping the data tracking bloat of mainstream alternatives. Number 3. OnlyOffice. If you are tired of throwing money at Microsoft every single month, you need to check this out. While classic tools like LibreOffice are great, the interfaces can feel incredibly dated. OnlyOffice solves this by offering an entirely free open suite with a sleek, modern UI that directly mirrors Microsoft Word and Excel, meaning there is basically zero learning curve when you switch over. Number 4. KDE Connect. For better or for worse, Apple is always praised for its device ecosystem. There's no real debate there. However, if you mix and match your tech hardware, KDE Connect is the ultimate bridge. Once you link your PC and phone, you can instantly share clipboards, reply to mobile notifications from your desktop, control your media playback, and even use your phone screen as a wireless trackpad. Number 5. Jellyfin. If you love the idea of hosting your own media library but hate Plex and its constant push toward premium paywalls, Jellyfin is the gold standard. It takes your offline collection of movies, TV shows, and music and organizes it into a stunning, responsive Netflix-style dashboard that you can stream to any device in your house completely free. Number 6. VLC Media Player. To be honest, a top-tier software list without VLC just feels wrong. It has been the default undisputed king of media players for years for a simple reason. It doesn't care what weird, obscure video container file you throw at it. It just plays it instantly without forcing any bundled bloatware onto your machine. Number 7. Stirling PDF. Dealing with PDFs is usually a total nightmare hidden behind a steep Adobe subscription wall. Enter Stirling PDF. It is a powerhouse, Swiss Army knife utility that lets you split, merge, compress, sign, and OCR convert PDF documents right on your machine. You can run it entirely locally via a clean web UI or desktop client, meaning your sensitive paperwork never gets shipped to an unknown third-party cloud server just to change a file format. Number 8. Flameshot. Stop using the basic built-in system snipping tools. Flameshot is a highly customizable screenshot utility that completely transforms your workflow. It lets you capture an area and instantly overlay arrows, text boxes, and blur out sensitive information live on your screen before you even hit save. Number 9. CopyQ. Standard system clipboards are way too limited, but if you want a workflow accelerator, check out CopyQ. It upgrades your clipboard into a fully searchable, categorized database that logs text, images, and HTML history, letting you pull up snippets you copied hours ago with a quick keyboard shortcut. Number 10. Espanso, a text expansion app that is incredibly minimal, clean, and one of the best tools for saving your wrists. It operates silently in the background across every single application you use, automatically swapping out simple custom text shortcuts for long email templates, complex code snippets, or live dates. Number 11. PeaZip. WinRAR has been begging us for a license key for decades, and 7-zip still looks like it was designed in the 90s. PeaZip is the modern answer. It's an incredibly fast archiver that supports over 200 compression formats, packs powerful file encryption utilities, and does it all inside a beautiful, clean interface. Number 12. KeePassXC. If you prefer to keep your passwords secure and local instead of trusting them to some dodgy cloud-based third-party service that's prone to corporate data breaches, KeePassXC is a must-have. It locks all your credentials inside a heavily encrypted offline database file that you fully own and control. Number 13. Cryptomator. Following on from privacy, if you use public cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox for sensitive paperwork, you need Cryptomator. It lets you spin up an encrypted vault right inside your cloud directory, scrambling your files on your actual machine before they upload, meaning the cloud provider can never read your data. Number 14. Syncthing. If you want to completely bypass cloud storage caps altogether, look into Syncthing. It runs quietly in the background, continuously mirroring specified folders directly between your devices. Because it operates on a pure peer-to-peer connection, your data moves fast and never hits a corporate server. Number 15. RustDesk. Need to jump into your home desktop on the go or help a relative fix their computer? RustDesk is a blazing fast remote desktop tool. Unlike TeamViewer or AnyDesk, which constantly nag you for expensive corporate licensing, RustDesk is completely open, giving power users the freedom to self-host their own relay connections. Number 16. OBS Studio. If you need to record your screen, capture gameplay, or host a live stream, OBS Studio is the undisputed industry standard. It is used by casual creators and massive production studios alike because it offers unparalleled capture control, multi-source layouts, and zero background performance bloat. Number 17. Handbrake. We have all dealt with massive raw video files that take an eternity to upload or share. Handbrake is the ultimate open-source companion utility for video transcoding. You just drag and drop a clip, select a preset, and it will aggressively compress the file size down without sacrificing your visual quality. Number 18. Kdenlive. Okay, I'll be honest, it would be quite difficult for me to entirely abandon heavy commercial video editors because I'm just so comfortable with my current timeline workflow. However, if you want a fast, entirely free alternative, check out Kdenlive. The user interface is split into highly logical workspaces with a wide range of professional multi-track editing tools. Number 19. Krita. If you are looking for a powerful graphics tool but find GIMP's traditional interface a bit dated, Krita is spectacular. While it is heavily tailored toward digital painters, illustrators, and concept artists, its gorgeous UI and massive brush engine make it a phenomenal Photoshop alternative. Number 20. Pinta. On the other side of the coin, if you just want something lightweight to replace classic MS Paint or Paint.net, download Pinta. It keeps things completely simple with a clean interface while still offering essential power features like layer support and basic image adjustments for quick edits. Number 21. Super Productivity. If you are trying to maximize your deep work sessions, this app is a literal hidden gem. It combines a daily task manager, a precise time tracker, calendar integrations, and a built-in Pomodoro timer into a single cohesive dashboard, giving you a full visual breakdown of exactly where your day went. Number 22. Logseq. If you find massive productivity apps like Notion to be a bit too slow or bloated, take a look at Logseq. It's a privacy-first, local-first knowledge base that stores your data in simple markdown files. It operates as a bulleted outliner, making it incredibly fast for brain-dumping ideas and connecting notes. Number 23. Draw.io. Whether you are mapping out a software project, building a business funnel, or just visual brainstorming, Draw.io is phenomenal. It's a clean diagramming tool packed with shapes and layout options that you can run right inside your web browser or download as a lightweight desktop client. Number 24. Audacity. If you ever need to record a podcast, clean up dirty background noise from a mic, or chop up audio clips, stop looking at paid software. Audacity is an absolute legendary multi-track audio editor that has been a staple for creators for decades. It gives you professional-grade waveform editing, real-time effects processing, and an endless library of community plugins to polish your audio, completely free of any corporate paywalls. Number 25. Duplicati. We all know we should be backing up our data, but throwing a monthly subscription at premium backup services gets expensive fast. Duplicati is the ultimate open source savior for your peace of mind. It's a secure, automated backup client that runs quietly in the background, heavily encrypting your files before sending them to any destination you choose, whether that's a local external drive or standard cloud storage like OneDrive. Because it only backs up files that have actually changed, it saves massive amounts of bandwidth and keeps your data completely locked down under your own keys. And that is 25 open source powerhouses that prove you don't need a monthly subscription to get world-class software. All the links to these tools are down in the description below. If you found even one app today that's going to clear up your workflow or save you some cash, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. Let me know in the comments which one you're downloading first, and I'll catch you in the next one.